Hello, I am Dr. Madhavi, Consultant Radiologist, Director, Madhavi Scan Center, Hyderabad. I invite you to the exclusive Gynaec Symposium conducted by the Department of Gynecology, Fernandez Hospital, along with Fernandez Hospital Education and Research Foundation on October 20th. This Gynaec Symposium is designed to enhance your knowledge and expertise in ultrasound in assessing female pelvis and to understand the indications beyond ultrasound. Ultrasonography is the imaging modality of choice and is the established point of care in assessment of female pelvis. However, ultrasound has inherent limitations, both machine and beyond machine, which necessitates the requirement of additional imaging modalities in acquiring the complete anatomical information. MRI, because of its inherent advantages, aids in providing information beyond ultrasound. The role of CT scan has definite indications in assessing the extent of the disease in disseminated malignancies. In this Gynaec Symposium, I will be discussing beyond ultrasound indications by MRI and CT scan. Come, take part and interact with the leading specialists in this field.